Welcome to Dosh Learning. Today we are going to see a chapter for class 9th maths. Lesson name is lines and angles. Now first we see what is angle and their types. The ray are called arms and the common point is called vertex. When two rays originate from the same point at different direction, they form an angle. Now first here this is the common point called vertex and this is the angle. Now types of angles: right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, complementary angle, supplementary angle. Then first right angle. When two rays originate from the same point and exactly 90 degree is called an right angle. This angle is exactly 90 degree, so this is a right angle. Then there is a 3 points A, B and C. Then obtuse angle. When two rays originate from the same point or makes an angle more than 90 degree is called obtuse angle. Now there is a two lines more than 90 degree, it can be 1 or 10 and more than 90 degree. This is called an obtuse angle. It also having 3 points A, B, C. Then straight angle. This is a different angle. This is called as line, but it is an angle. When two rays makes an angle of 180 degree is called straight angle. This is exactly 180 degree like 90 degree. So this is a right angle. This is also having 3 points. Line have 2 points, but straight angle have 3 points, so it is not a line, but it is a straight angle. Then acute angle. When two rays makes an angle of less than 90 degree like 40 degree, 60 degree and 80 degree is called acute angle. It can be 60, 40 and more than less than 90 degree. Then it also having 3 points A, B, C. Then complementary angle. This is a important angle. In this angle it have two adjacent angles like here in this case 60, 30. When we add 60 and 30 it will give rise to 90 degree, so it will be a complementary angle. Yeah, sum of angles gives 90 degree is called complementary angle. And in supplementary angle, when two angles added it will give 180 degree. It will be the sum of two angles will give 180 degree. It is called supplementary angle. In this case 120 degree plus 60 degree will rise to 180 degree, so it is a supplementary angle. Then intersecting and non-intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. When two lines intersect in a point is called intersecting lines. In this case it will meet in this point, so it is a intersecting lines. Then non-intersecting lines. In non-intersecting lines, when two lines never meet in any point is called non-intersecting lines or parallel lines. In this case the two lines did not meet at any point, so this is a parallel line or non-intersecting lines. Now let's solve some problems and questions. First question, line AB and CD intersect at O. If AOC plus BOE equal to 70 degree and BOD equal to 40 degree, find BOE and reflect COE. Now I explain it in the diagram. First, line AB and CD intersect at O. AB, this line and this line intersect at O, this point, and AOC plus BOE equal to 70 degree. AOC this angle and BOE this angle. This will sum of these angles are 70 degree and BOD equal to 40 degree. Now this angle BOD equal to 40 degree. Okay, this will 40 degree. Now 40 degree. Now we want to find BOE and COE. Now we want to find separately and this angle separately. Now we can find that you already guessed that this answer. So first we see the solution. First, AOC plus BOE equal to 40 degree, it's given the question, and BOD equal to 40 degree, it's also given in the question. AOC equal to 40 degree, this angle will be 40 degree. It's in the property of vertically opposite angles, because BOD equal to 40 degree means it is vertically opposite, so AOC is equal to 40 degree. Then COE equal to AOE minus AOC, COE equal to AOE minus AOC, COE equal to AOE minus AOC. Okay, COE minus COE equal to this angle minus this angle, so it will be, we will get COE. Now COE equal to 70 minus 40, it will give 30 degree. Then now we want to show the BOE equal to 180 minus 70 degree, it gives 110 degree. Now let's see the second question. In figure, find the value of x and y and then show that A is parallel to CD. Now we want to show the x and find the x and y, plus we want to prove that AB is parallel to CD. Now let's solve the question. First I represent the points and angles in the diagram. First x is here, you can see that y is here, so we want to find these 2 points, and here is the AB and CD. We want to find show that these 2 lines will be parallel. Now this sum will be too easy, let's solve it. First, 50 plus x equal to 180 degree. Here AO, this angle will be 50 degree plus x equal to 180 degree. We tell the x as this, and when we add these two angles, it will be 180 degree. So let's find the x equal to 180 minus 50, then x equal to 130 degree. This x we find that 130 degree, it is 130 degree. Then we want to find the y. X and y are corresponding angles, so x equal to y. Now these x and y are corresponding angles because we already studied that. So x is also 130 degree. Okay, we find the x and y. Now we want to show that AB is parallel to CD. Then we can see the solution. 130 degree is equal to 130 degree, so x is equal to y. Then AB is equal to CD equal to 180 degree. AB and CD are 180 degree. So now both are parallel to each other. Okay, let's go to the third question. This we can find easier. In figure, if x plus y is equal to w plus zz, then prove that AOB is a line. X plus y, here x plus y, okay, x plus y, this is equal to this, so then prove AOB is a line. Then they tell to prove this line, so now let's prove that. Now we know that the sum of all angles around a point is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, angle BOC plus COA plus angle BOD plus AOD equal to 360 degree. So x plus y plus w plus z equal to 360 degree, but x plus y is equal to w plus z given in the question. So therefore x plus y equal to w plus z equal to 360 by 2 is equal to 180 degree. Thus BOC and COA is angle BOD and angle AOD form a line pair. Consequently, so OA and OB are two opposite rays. Therefore AOB is a straight line. Now we prove that At last we come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching this video. I think it will useful for you. Let's see in next video. Thank you. We will see in the next useful video. Thank you for watching.